way here. Come in, Daz. Been well maintained.
It still works.
Is it?
Carries to the other.
It's an old steam engine, coal engine. Look at that. Jesus, look. Chevy, this is your type of thing.
What's that?
It's your type of thing, get in here. Fall through the floor down through here. Woo woo! Under Siege 2. Casey Ryback throws out the and he hops on under the train. Come in, Daz. Come in. You what? You're going to lay down on the tracks. Andy, give it a go. This one here. Turn the knob and see if you can open it. I reckon it's fixed. Yeah, the knob, yeah. See if you can. No, you have to get Matthias.
No.
You don't reckon you'll do it? Not even the great Matthias will be able to do it. Very cool. That's a good place to sleep for the night.
Where's the ashtray? See the ashtray?
Yeah, on the side here, yeah. Ashtray. Oh man, they remind me of those old trays. Back in the day we could smoke anywhere. Hey, can you pull one out? Great souvenir.
I think they would have been souvenirs by now, if you could get them.
You have all these ones, huh?
Yeah.
Where's Matt? Did you walk all along it? Alright. What's he saying? You read the gauges here? Heater fan, forward, sand, reverse sand panel. What are you thinking this was for?
I opened it, now I can't fucking close it. Put your shoulder in.
Andy?
Hey?
What do you reckon this is for?
Destination?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's a bit rusty.
Could do with a bit of maintenance.
I did get quite a good photo of you accidentally from inside, of you hanging out and swinging around.
How long? Oh! Which way did you go, man? This side or the other side? Alright, let's go the other side. Can you make it in? Oh, is it? Okay. I'll just wait till Landry gets through. It's flexing.
Holy shit!
Is it flexing? Well, if Matt can hold on to it, then.
What a piece of machinery. What is this?
It's a grader.
Oh, they're rubber. I thought they were steel.
It's concrete in there. It's called concrete in there, so you can't move any of the...
Whereabouts?
Just down here.
Oh, yeah. So you can't move the levers in it?
Yeah.
Just think, there was a time when this would have come out of yard, spanking brand new.
They're probably 100 years ago.
We've done it again, Andy. We've crawled through the train and look what it says.
Yeah, no. Can't be stopped.
Incredible. Where would there be asbestos on the train?
So you got your inner tank, and
Yeah.
then they wrap it in asbestos, and you're outer skin.
Oh, okay.
So all the sheeting that you see, where it's rusted through the sheeting,
Yeah.
and you see the white fabric.
Yeah, that's the asbestos
I
on
don't
it.
think we've got any issues.
That's why I said when you're walking down, just don't touch the.
Yeah. You know what I want to go and take a picture of? That thing down there. Look at the levers. Daz, did you get down to the levers? Darren's had enough.
Hang on. Stay there.
Hey, if you watch that movie Stand By Me that I told you to watch, this is what they do. They just walk along. Huh?
Who did it?
4 boys. I don't know who the River Phoenix was one.
Oh wow, that's that old.
It's that old. 87. Really popular film.
Oh, I'll download it.
What? And they're walking along. It's the adventures of 4 young kids.
Fuck, we did the train ride on here.
Yeah, we did. I told you, we got that book.
Yeah.
Mate, wouldn't it be great to be a hobo with a backpack and just walk on the train lines from city to city?
That'd be awesome, wouldn't it?
Stopping in, making friends. Mate, I don't think this is going to be going anytime soon.
Well, they almost got it ready, and then some
And
of the cunts fucking come and damaged everything.
Really?
Broke everything. The fire went through first.
Yeah.
They fixed it.
Yeah.
Then they had vandals come and torch everything.
Yeah. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
See, they have to replace all this stuff. This is not going to be able to work anymore. Look at that, it's rusted through. Get Mav, see if you can pull on these things.
Tunnel.
Is it?
Get the torches.
Oh, we've got to come at night time. Is there locks on the bottom?
Matt. Matt. Can you go to the car in Emily's seat? There's my torch. There's a big tunnel here. No, I've got the big one.
Oh, I got my big one.
Ah, fuck yeah.
Hey, do you want to leave it till sort of like a night trip?
Over here.
Okay, but I'm just saying that it's going to be
When's
about.
the next time we're going to get up here at night?
Yeah, okay, get it. Run. That's what I was thinking. Alright, apparently they're going back to get their torches because the zigzag tunnel is right there. So we'll pause now. Once we get the torches, we'll walk through it.
You
Alright.
have the train frequency on your radio? Yeah.
We're going to have to find out the length of this tunnel, see if it's longer than 1550.
Asked to remain clear of the rail line at all times.
Well, nothing's coming through now. Oh, look at that. At night time, Chef, with our lights. Did Andrew tell you about the new torch map?
No.
New Imola, 53,000 lumens. Got a cooling fan on it.
How long does the battery last for?
It scales down to whatever 32,000 or something, and then it lasts for about 2 hours. But that 53 will last for 3 minutes. So it's just that shot in the dark.
I like my throw.
Yeah, have you got your throw or not?
No.
Oh, you didn't bring it.
Well, the daytime isn't going to be a throw.
If we'll only go up a little bit, Chef. If we can't see any light,
Yeah.
then this will be a definite night trip.
I'm going to see the light up there.
That's what?
I'm going to see the light up there. Freaking 3 kilometres.
Yeah, I know. I feel the coldness. You can come up here at night time how cold it's going to be.
There.
Really? Well, let's go. If
Go to
it's
the end.
the end exit.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the end. You got yours on, haven't you?
Yeah.
Look how pristine it is considering what we
I know.
are used to walking through.
Yeah, Oddford, yeah. Alright.
It's pretty dry in here actually, isn't it?
Very dry. Light at the end. So, this wasn't the tunnel that we saw. There must be another tunnel as well.
The first time we passed, it was on the right hand side.
Yep.
That tunnel's 9, was it 9 and 10?
Yeah, yeah. There must be a few.
That tunnel's 9 and 10.
Yeah.
So,
Well, there must be a few tunnels then.
because I think at some point it goes underneath the road, doesn't it? To the other
Yeah,
side.
yeah. That's what I'm thinking.
So,
Went beside the road for a while and then it goes under.
This is epic. This is another tunnel we've conquered.
Yeah, I know.
We're all tunnelled out.
I never knew this one existed,
Well,
honestly.
it's one of potentially 10.
Yeah, that's right.
So you do a night trip up here, bring your backpack with some snack food and a
And
spare batteries.
Yeah. Yeah, no one's going to be patrolling this up here at night. Look at all the soot on the roof.
But when did the Sandwich use it? Early, right, when they first started with the zigzag. The zigzag was for what, originally?
I'm not sure. Well, again, would have been to supply Lithgow for something.
I think it's tourist attraction.
No,
Well,
origin.
had a meaning.
Yeah, before.
Coal or...
Oh, zigzag?
Yeah. Originally it would have been something.
But how far does it go that way?
Oh, all the way down to a train shed, right down the bottom of the hill. You should see when they start. There's grades, and it has to go like 5 kilometres an hour.
Yeah,
because it's downhill.
We did it in a Queenslander.
Yeah, that's right.
We were in a Queenslander train when we went down.
Yeah, that's right. Like I said, I still got that book and the trains that they were using back in the 90s. Andy pilfered the book.
When did you do it?
97. 97. I think the fires were the early 2000 fires. But
Oh, is that what with Andy?
Andy, Anya, and
Oh, that's right.
Dutch.
Oh, so jumped on the train.
Yeah, got on a train and went down. It's like it's only $2. I still got the ticket. Zigzag Railway ticket's like $2.50 or something. Alright, I'll pause now and start up when we get a bit closer. Alright, we've done the zigzag tour. We measured the distance of the tunnel, 500 metres, which is quite a long way. This is an intended night trip if we can get enough people wanting to come. And the beauty about it is that we know if we come here at night, no one's going to be stopping us. Is that a sinkhole or was it a tree there? I love that water. I love that water tower. Look at that last little ladder on the top there. How do you get up there now? No chance? Climb up where? No way. There's no way you could climb up the framework. No. If you do climb up the framework, then the ladder's out from the...
Yeah, so I'm saying you can only get to the underside of the...
Yeah.
You won't get up to the top of the...
Up to the ladder there, yeah. Reckon that ladder still hold you? It looks a bit skew-if. Andy, we're going to go on the platform? Where? Oh yeah, on the side here. Yeah. Is it? Let's just go down just to get a picture of the chair Clarence. Here's your mechanical stuff. Where's that from? England? 1916. Andrew Thompson and Son Makers, Alexandria, Sydney, 1916. Same thing?
Yep.
Yeah.
Same plate.
And this one here says open, work slowly. I don't think that'll be opening much anymore. Water there, Andy?
Yeah, have a drink.
No, is water coming out? Right. No, here. The other tap. Fuck, and that's sealed shut as well.
Like the one from the platter.
Would you? Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Alright, we're on the zigzag Clarence Station. So what's that other one for?
Going forward and coming back.
Yeah, but how would you get off?
No, you shut up and then reverse it back in and then...
Yeah, so what's that one for? Where would that go?
No, they join, mate. So what happens in case they want to have...
Oh, up that way and come back.
So they can go down, reverse it back on this line.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe you're right.
Remember?
Where's the old shit tank?
On the break.
The other one. Is that shit tank? It's got a ladder going straight into it. Oh yeah? Oh yeah, down the bottom.
Where's it going?
I've got those locks on my dad's garage. I can't open it for some reason.
Really?
Yeah, the Lockwoods are good.
It's got...
Yeah, I know. There it is. Clarence. Got to take a picture of that. summit, 3658 feet above sea level. Everything's shut up shop here. Alright, this is your last chance to have a cigarette, Matthias.
Train's coming past, mate.
Nothing for a while, maybe a couple of years.
Okay, I'll wait.
Okay. Still in pristine condition, the station. Something up here as well. Toilets. And a bubbler. Have a look at the old bubbler, chef. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna. Alright, I'm gonna come down and have a look at it. I just want to see. Oh, so this is where you had barbecues and that. Old school. Bubbler. Toilets. What? Have a look at this thing. Tree's gone straight on it. Hey, this would have been picturesque back in the day. Hey, Matt, Daz, come up for a sec. Come up here for a sec. And I'll pause it here. It's a storage shed. And kids coming up here at night damaging stuff. They got the staff car, the ward car, the admin car, real kitchen nightmares. Oh, so this is how the track worked. Yeah, it would be working when it connects up to power as a transformer. Look how well this one is. Mechanical. I'd say it works if you pull that up and down. No, that's busted as well. Everything's just been done to
Zigzag railway.
Oh, wow. Andrew would love that. These are the shirts the concierges would have worn. Is that another one there? Yeah, it probably is. The pants, yeah. Yeah, they're the fuckers. Breaking every window, climbing through. It's amazing that they haven't ripped down all these plenty of folder albums if you want them.
Some pretty old tickets from that.
Yeah. Alright, close it back up again. Oh, yeah. We opened it. You want to walk through? Yeah, come and look. Hang on, Andy's going to have a look. Dad, you want to come and look? We got in. Alright, I think that's a wrap. It's pretty much done. The tour at Zigzag Railway got into more things than we expected. We only expected to pull up, yet we managed to get into a few trains down here, walk the tunnel, hit the Clarence station, and get into the Medic train. Not going in? Alright. Alright, au revoir from Zigzag Railway. Adios.